Oh, okay, now it's going. Cat, make your wish.
Okay, I made my wish. Ah, dang it! It's
There's like 2 more. Do you have to? Does that like it only comes true if you blow all of them out at once?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Dang it! That didn't happen to me. Okay, videotape me.
Okay, I was gonna make her wish.
Here's a good one. Okay.
Hold on. Okay. She's making her wish. All at once. What don't you understand about that? She's bad at that.
I didn't get it. It's not gonna come true.
I guess none of our wishes are gonna come true this year. Oh, too bad. Next week, join us back next week when we're going to make we hope daisies. If we'll see if our future dandelions for our future boyfriends, see if they like us. See you next week.
Bye.
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 Yeah. Bye.